Some days, when I look at you, intently and full of love, I see silver hairs replace brown ones, eye wrinkles where there was once none, and a maturity in knowing that only age can bring on. And I am filled with gratitude. Gratitude that you're willing to spend every day with me. Our time is the most precious thing on this earth, and it is the only form of currency that we cannot get back. You have blessed me with immense wealth and fortune of your time. You have spent your youth on me, and I you. So with every wrinkle, every gray hair, and every day you spend with me is another day that I am the wealthiest woman in the world. And it is with that I promise I will go in debt with you with that time.
I promise to be patient and kind. Above all, I promise to love you not only as you are, but as you can and will be. I'm yours, and that's it, forever.